Hello students, welcome back to this channel. Students, today we are going to discuss about the cube and cube roots. Okay, the new chapter that we need to start is cube and cube root. Then after we will start the factorization. Some students are requesting to upload videos on factorization, but students just know first you need to know about the cube and cube roots. After that the factorization chapter will be more easier to solve the questions. Okay, that's why I am starting the cube and cube roots. Okay, so here I have written the definition of cube. What is the meaning of cube? I think all of you have already know about the cubes, but let me tell you the definition of the cube. If a number is multiplied by itself 3 times, okay, if a number is multiplied by itself 3 times or any number raised to power of 3, that means in हिंदी हम इसे ऐसा समझ सकते हैं कि अगर कोई नंबर अपने आप से 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई हो रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर एग्जाम्पल पे हम जाएं तो 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 2 ये 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है. हियर 2 इज मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 टाइम्स and it is multiplied by itself. Okay, it is multiplied by itself 3 times. That's why we called it as 2 to the power 3 or 2 raised to the power 3, or we can also read it as 2 cube of 2. Okay, I think this is clear to all of you. Now how to find the cube or how to find the cube root, it is the main question. Okay, it is the main concept that you have to learn in this chapter, how to find the cube root. Okay, but before that let us understand some basic concepts. Okay students, here I have written the cube from number 1 to 10. Okay, in the square root some numbers are sub numbers which are ending with a particular unit digit. We can easily say that this is not a perfect square, but rather than this the cube root are the cubes of the numbers are different. Okay, so let us see this pattern or this format, as 1 cube is equal to 1, 2 cube is equal to 8, 3 cube is equal to 27, 4 cube and so on up to 10. So let me find the numbers from 1 to 0 or from 0 to 9. So here the ones place is 0. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So all of these numbers came under the cube. Okay, so हम क्यूब में ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि कोई भी नंबर जो एंड कर रहा है यूनिट डिजिट पे, किसी भी पर्टिकुलर यूनिट डिजिट पे, तो वो परफेक्ट क्यूब है या नहीं बस उस नंबर को देख के नहीं बताया जा सकता है. बस इस पैटर्न को लिखने का यही मकसद था. ओके, अब हम डिस्कस करेंगे. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट हाउ टू फाइंड द क्यूब रूट्स. ओके, और दो बेसिक टाइप के कॉन्सेप्ट्स बनते हैं कि by which smallest number the given number must be multiplied so it become a perfect cube, or the given number by which we can divide it to the smallest number and then it will become a perfect cube. So these two types of questions are basic questions of this chapter. और इसके बाद फिर आप एक्सरसाइज जो है, आई थिंक ये 7 चैप्टर होता है एनसीईआरटी का, तो 7.1 अब फिर आप बना पाओगे. ओके students, here I have taken an example of that question is find the cube root of 216. Okay, we need to find the cube root of 216. The only method to find a cube root is the prime factorization. I think all of you know very well about the prime factorization. I have already teach you in the section of square and square root. Okay, so here I am factorizing it, finding the prime factors of 216. First I am dividing 216 by 2, then 2, then 2. Then after it is not divisible by 2, then we will shift to 3, 3, 3, 3, then we will get remainder as 1, then we stop dividing. Now write 216 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. We can also write it as 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. Okay, so here the cubes are cancelled because we need to find the cube root. So the cube is cancelled by the cube root. Okay, so we can write it as 2 into 3 and the cube root of 216 is 6. This is your final answer. Okay, this is your final answer. I think it is quite very simple and very easy. Okay, so one type of question is that find the cube root of a particular number. So any number, you have given any number, just go through the prime factorization and after that write the numbers as this and make them or put them in a group of 3 numbers. Okay, 1 2 3, then make one another group 1 2 and 3. If 2 is repeated more times, then don't write as, for example, if any number having prime factorization like 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so you don't need to group these all 4 numbers. Okay, you just need to group these 3 numbers. Okay, you have to group numbers in only 3. The grouping will be of only 3 numbers. Okay, if more than 3 numbers, just left it or group it in another group. ओके यानी 3 से ज्यादा हम ग्रुपिंग नहीं लेते हैं। ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ 2 आपको मिलते चला गया, 3 मिलते चला गया, तो आप उसे फिर फर्दर ग्रुपिंग एक्सटेंड नहीं करेंगे। ठीक है, हम 3 के ग्रुप में ही बांटेंगे। लास्ट में जो बच जाएगा उसे हम फिर देखेंगे, क्योंकि उससे दूसरे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस बनते हैं, तो उस क्वेश्चंस को भी हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, दोनों टाइप के क्वेश्चंस को डिस्कस करेंगे। वन टाइप में होता है कि किस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से उसे मल्टीप्लाई करें, और सेकंड टाइप में होता है किस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से उसे डिवाइड करें। तो उस दोनों को अब हम देखेंगे। ओके, here students, I have taken one another question and I have also solved it just to reduce the time consumption. Okay, here the question is, by which smallest number should 392 be multiplied so it become a perfect cube? यानी कि इस नंबर को हम किस स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें कि हमारा जो नंबर है वो एक परफेक्ट क्यूब आ जाए। यानी डेफिनेटली है। अच्छा, ये क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से भी दिया जा सकता है दैट फर्स्ट यू हैव टू ऑब्जर्व द नंबर और observe by yourself that this is a perfect cube or not. So just you have to go through the prime factorization. I have done here prime factorization of 392. Here I have divided it by 2, then 2, then 2, then 7, and then 7. So after that we will write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. Here we can see that the grouping of 2 is completed as a cube, but 7 is incompleted. So we will write it as, here 7 into 7 is left, so we multiply 392 by 7, then perfect cube will become as 392 by into 7 is equal to 2744 is the answer. So this is the easiest way of solving the question. Okay, one another question, if the question shifted towards the other question, like by which smallest number, okay, by which smallest number should 392 be not multiplied but divided. Okay, so I am changing this question as by which smallest number it can be divided. यानी अब यहाँ पे हमें पूछा जा रहा है क्वेश्चन में कि डिवाइड करें। ठीक है, डिवाइडेड सो इट बिकम अ परफेक्ट क्यूब। तो यहाँ पे आपको बस सेंटेंस लास्ट में चेंज करना है। यहाँ पे आपको बस सेंटेंस लास्ट में थोड़ा सा चेंज करना है। यू नीड टू जस्ट चेंज योर सेंटेंस। ओके, okay, fine. So here 7 into 7 is left, so we divide 392 by 7 into 7. So just divide perfect cube. Wait. So the perfect cube will become as 392 divided by 7 7 is 49. Just divide it by 49, you will get the answer. So by this method, okay, there are two types of question. I have seen your exercises. There are two type of questions in your exercise. So all of you now able to solve the exercise 7.1. This will be your homework. Okay, and also if you are watching this video, just write your name in the comment section. Also don't forget to subscribe this channel and like the video. Also share with your all friends. Thank you for watching.